Hello. In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on HONOR Magic6 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search, and now click install. Now click open. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. And here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you can confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.